Sangeeta Umashankar from Chennai. I'm a budding microbiologist who's so keen to learn. I've heard about embryology course in Chennai Fertility Center from one of my family friends. As a matter of fact, while arriving here, I have zero knowledge about embryology. After a couple of weeks training here, they taught me everything about embryology procedures like semen preparation, macroscopic and microscopic investigations, morphology and vitality tests. With that, they taught me about oocyte retrieval too. In that oocyte retrieval, I could able to denude more than hundreds of animal oocytes. And they taught me about intracytoplasmic sperm injection too. I strongly believe that practice with patient is what makes you progress, and it leads you to be perfect. And here, the Chennai Fertility Center training crew has nailed it. A special thanks to Dr. Thomas sir and Dr. Krishna Vignesh sir for the opportunity they gave here, and a special thanks to Mrs. Abhinaya for the assistance throughout the entire course.